Alright, I want to video what we got here. I'm going to do the snowball test later. Sorry. Move y'all so we can get a perspective of what it looks like out here. Sticking to the trees. We've had ice for 24 hours now. Snow. It started as rain, converted to freezing rain, went to snow, went back to ice pellets, sleet. Let me get an idea how much is on the ground here for you. We've got some snow. I say we got about 6-8 inches, but you know the ice has compacted it down, so. Alright, we're going to do the snowball test, a regular piece of ice test out of the freezer, and all that later on the day. So I'm going to change these batteries. And hello YouTube and all my viewers, thank you for watching. Whoever watches this, I appreciate it. And I know I haven't been making videos here lately, but I got a bunch I'm going to drop this week, so just stay tuned please. Alright, interesting things. I'll be back. We're going to show you the snow big time later. I'll probably do it on my cell phone because I can't take this camera out. Alright, peace out.